In the era of Industry 4.0, innovative digital technologies such as IoT, cloud computing, and AI are profoundly reshaping the world. The food industry is also undergoing a major transformation, from traditional manufacturing to smart factories. Starting from customer needs, Gelgoog has developed a professional digital management platform, GEBBER IoT. The platform features 5 core functions: equipment management, energy consumption management, intelligent warning, smart maintenance, and online operation and service. It supports both mobile app and PC operations, making food production simpler and safer. Through digital twin technology, each piece of equipment is mirrored with a high-precision virtual model, recreating devices and production scenarios one-to-one. Real-time data is collected across the entire production line. Whether in the factory or in the office, managers can fully monitor equipment and line performance. Digitalized management replaces traditional manual supervision, helping customers reduce management costs by up to 35%. The platform continuously gathers detailed data on water, electricity, and gas consumption. By aggregating and analyzing these insights, managers can quickly identify energy usage patterns and trends, providing strong data and technical support for energy saving and consumption reduction. It also supports intelligent warnings and alerts, monitoring production line equipment and PLC control systems in real time. Potential risks and equipment failures can be detected at the earliest stage, ensuring stable operations, reducing downtime losses by up to 40% and lowering maintenance costs. Maintenance schedules can be preset with automatic reminders at critical checkpoints. Regular alerts and smart maintenance help customers plan inspections efficiently, avoid unexpected shutdowns, and ensure stable production. In case of sudden equipment failures or emergencies, operation and maintenance experts are available 24/7, providing timely remote support. No matter how far away, issues can be resolved immediately, ensuring production safety and reliability. Smarter equipment, smarter management. GEBBER IoT, your expert partner in smart factory management.